Hello, in this video we will now learn how to enter timesheet and submit timesheet. So let's get started. Here we can see the week view where user can actually navigate through the different weeks. By clicking on the today button, they will be navigated to the current week. In order to enter the timesheet for a particular day, click on a particular row. A drawer form will be opened from the right side. Select the project for which the time has to be entered. And select the task. Here we can see the list of tasks. So let's select predictive model development. Enter the duration hours for which you have worked on this project. It can be 8, 7, 7.58. There is a checkbox which says enter start time and time. So when you check it, you can actually enter the start time and the end time as to when the work was started. In this demo, we will just enter the hours. Then we select the location, whether the work was done from home or office or client side. Then the remarks field is optional field. Here we can enter the notes regarding the task. Clicking on save will save the timesheet record. Then we can have multiple entries for the same day. So let's say we now select another project. We select the task data collection. We enter 2 hours. Then we click on save. So the second time entry gets logged. So the total hours becomes 9 for the day. Here we can view the transactions, timesheet transactions, which has happened for the day. Editing will edit the timesheet. We can remove the remarks. Edit can only happen till the time the timesheet is not submitted. However, once the timesheet is submitted, then the team member will not be able to edit the timesheet. Timesheet can also be deleted by clicking the delete icon. So once deleted, the record will be removed from the system. Clicking on the submit button will submit the timesheet and it will be sent to the team leader for approval. Now let's see how we can do multiple submission for the 2 different timesheets. So select the timesheets and then click on submit. It will do a bulk submission of both the records, and as you can see, the status of the timesheet has changed to submitted. There is a second view to enter the timesheets, which is the month view. Clicking on the month will open up the full month calendar. Here we can see the 3 days the timesheet has been submitted, but for the days where there is no color or it's empty, we can find out like the timesheet is not yet submitted. So it will again open up the same drawer form which we saw in the week view. The advantage of the month view is we get a full picture of all the days where the timesheet is not yet submitted, but the rest of the information remains the same. So the drawer form which is there in the week view and the month view remains the same. So again, here we can click the submit and to submit the timesheet. This will help to navigate to the different months. So December, January, November. So the entire month view will be opened up. So I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how to enter and submit timesheet. Thank you.